Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build a Lamborghini Huracan out of Lego. We'll guide you through creating the impressive Lego Technic Lamborghini Huracan Technica, a model designed for enthusiasts aged 9 and up. This set, comprising 806 pieces, offers a rewarding and detailed construction journey. You'll discover how to assemble its realistic features, including a moving V10 engine, functional steering, and opening doors, bringing this iconic supercar to life. Before you begin, gather your Lego Technic Lamborghini Huracan Technica set, identified by its number 42161. It contains 806 pieces, so sorting them by color and type will significantly streamline your build. For the best experience, download the Lego Builder app. This intuitive application provides three-dimensional instructions, allowing you to zoom and rotate the model, making each step clear and manageable. As you delve into the build, focus on assembling the sturdy chassis, which forms the backbone of your Lamborghini. Next, carefully integrate the detailed V10 engine. Its pistons will move realistically as you push the car. Pay close attention to the steering mechanism, ensuring all gears and axles are correctly aligned for smooth operation. These core components are crucial for capturing the authentic feel of the Huracan Technica. With the internal mechanisms complete, it's time for the exterior. Carefully attach the vibrant green body panels, capturing the Huracan's distinctive aerodynamic curves. Add the opening doors and other fine details to achieve a truly authentic replica. Once finished, your impressive model, measuring over 3 inches high, 11 inches long, and 4.5 inches wide, is perfect for display, showcasing your building prowess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.